What's up guys, the RockAuto bringing you another video today. So this one's just going to be a real quick video. I'm not going to really do a how-to on how to take this belt tensioner off on the belt. Just going to kind of film me doing a few steps, and then there are other videos, you know, like that can show you pretty much how to do it. But I just want to make a quick video just showing me filming, you know, taking this part off. But link will be in the description below for the parts in case y'all do want them. But let's go ahead and we'll get that underway. All right guys, so pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to be taking off the belt tensioner today, and pretty much with the 14-year models, and I think some of the 15s, but mostly the 14-year models, the belt tensioner after so many miles had a condition pretty much where it would go out and it could leak fluid, and the driver or the passengers can hear like a ticking or a rattling sound when it goes from V4 to V8 mode. Also between the 30 to 40 mile per hour range and under very light acceleration, you can hear like a rattling or a ticking sound coming from the engine bay. And like I said before, lots of forums explaining, you know, the problem with it. I believe there's a TSB out there or something like that to replace the belt tensioner and the belt. And most people, after they do that, the sound goes away. All right guys, what you're gonna want to do first is take off this piece first, being held in by a bolt right here, one right there, and then one over there. Go ahead and take those off. Once those 7mm 4 bolts are removed, go ahead and take the shield out. This part I'll just place to the side. All right, next you're gonna want to go ahead and take off the intake tubing here. You can loosen that by this one here with a screwdriver. Same thing right here, and then take off the PCV valves, I guess, right there. All right guys, I find out that using a 5/16 bit here helps with getting this one off here. All right, next guys, you're going to want to go ahead and take both those PCV valves off. Just press down and lift up. Okay, set them to the side. And then I think we can go ahead and take off our intake tube. All right guys, once you remove the intake tube, go ahead and set it to the side. Now you got more access to work. All right, now what you're gonna want to do, the tensioner is located, looks like it's right about there, that thing right there. What you need?
Just that straight wrench.
That one. All right guys, and everything is back in place now. I know I didn't really go through a full step-by-step process in getting the belt tensioner off, but you kind of just saw me taking apart the belt tensioner and replacing the belt and stuff like that. So, but there's other videos online that you can look up to do that. But I just wanted to make a quick video just to kind of show, you know, how just me filming while I take the belt tensioner off. Hopefully this will solve the issue that I'm having with that little rattling sound. But hope y'all guys enjoy the video. All right guys, well, I hope y'all enjoy just watching the real quick video of me putting on the belt tensioner and the belt. More videos to come like always, but until next time, peace.